Hello, Year 5. Just here to talk to you about Tuesday's lesson. So let's go to the plan. So here we go. So this is Wednesday, so the second lesson on Beowulf. So yesterday, you did a little bit of summarizing. So you summarized the main events of the story. Hope you were able to watch some of the videos and were able to read the text too. It's quite interesting to see differences. So today it's quite similar. So it's sequence. So putting something in sequence means to put things in order of time or in order of where it's meant to be. So here at the top here you've got a link to a video. So and these clips down here. So you've got part 1, part 2, part 3. So these should correspond to your summary yesterday. So these main events should appear in order here. So that's what you do. You watch clips 1, 2, and 3, or use the text if you are unable to get onto YouTube. And write down where and when you think the story's from. So there was a bit of a spoiler in yesterday, because I did mention a little bit about this. So hopefully some of you've done your own research into this and looked into the story of Beowulf. So you'll be able to answer that quite easily. Does it remind you of any other stories you know? So have you heard any myths and legends? Have you heard of any stories of heroes? Maybe heroes overcoming evil? As I'm sure you'll know from reading yesterday's story, that's what this story is about, isn't it? Overcoming the evil of Grendel. So now, can you create a storyboard for the poem? So a storyboard is, as I said yesterday, it's a little bit like a comic strip, but this time you have to go into a little bit more detail. So if you did do a sort of comic strip yesterday, it's really, really going to help you, because you can use some of those images. Maybe yesterday, because it's a summary, you did it a bit quicker. So maybe you did sort of stick people, but today maybe you can go into what, thinking what Beowulf looks like, what Grendel looks like, what Herod looks like, maybe, if you haven't seen from the videos. So you create a story board of the poem so far, making sure you include a picture of the important scenes. So again, it's going back to that summary and finding those important scenes, and a short description. So this is going to be the difference between yesterday's. So we are combining the pictures and the short description to create a storyboard. So that should be a really enjoyable thing to do. Yeah, so hopefully that goes really well. Looking forward, if you want to go on email and send some pictures of the work you've completed on this, that would be lovely, so we can send them to the year group email, and yeah, we will get back to you. Okay, enjoy. Bye.